they're trying to separate out structures, and so they're having like kind of just all these people like multi like player environment try to like separate out these structures, and because so many people are working on this data, data, they're able to kind of get through it.
It's for neurons?
Yeah, I think it's for neurons. I forget what it's called, but because like everything is so packed in there, like it's like structure on structure on structure. To be able to like kind of separate that out, it takes like not just a computer, it takes some active like manipulation by people.
You're actually trying to separate like what the synapses and things like
synapses
that?
And then like the glial cells and like everything that's like on top of each other in the brain, and then it's like I think it's maybe called a connectome, and slowly like you're able to like pull apart all these structures. So
like, is it like a dissected brain that's then been VR mapped, and then they're trying to get people to
I think what it is, it's like a high res 3D imaging, like I don't know if it's probably not CT, but I don't know what the data source is, but it's like a 3D scan of a part of the brain that they're just like slowly working out more and more. I think it's called the connectome, but it was like that's one way of using many people on one data source to help. Like,
I wish scientists would be able to work together and not have like competitive grants, because they just found like the parasympathetic nerve system, and like how in the Western culture they didn't believe that these things were connected, but then they actually finally got a microscope good enough that it actually can see that it was just hidden underneath other things. But like in Asian cultures, it's like they're always talking about it. They're like, it's not a superstition, it's an actual thing you just couldn't see. Yeah.
Right. Or like the vagal nerve actually connects to the gut. That's like a new discovery.
Yeah.
Like the brain gut connection.
Yeah. But the thing
cool.
is, like a lot of cultures like intuitively knew about this.
Yeah.
But it's too much is like visually, like they need evidence that's visual, when a lot of places like that's not how like physicists work, so why do you have to do that in the biological sciences?
Yeah, sure.
But no, that's great. Well, hopefully you'll like apply that to that. If you do, better give me credit for it.
Yeah, no, I like this.